Hi, this is Michelle from On Demandly, and today we're going to show you how to get $20 off on Domino's with an app called Slide. The Slide app lets you purchase Domino's gift cards. You get $5 off each gift card you purchase for a total discount of $20. Plus, you get 4% cash back on each gift card you purchase through the Slide app. Today, we're going to show you how to purchase these discounted gift cards so you can instantly redeem them. Before we get started, I want to quickly go over how this works. With the Slide app, you'll get $5 off your first 4 gift card purchases. So with that in mind, we suggest purchasing 4 separate gift cards to maximize your discount. In this video, we are going to show you how to purchase 1 gift card. Then you can repeat the process for the other 3 gift cards. Okay, let's get started. First, tap the link below this video to activate the discount and sign up with the Slide app. Once the quick sign-up process is done and you are at this screen, search for the brand here and select it when it pops up in the search results. Enter in the gift card amount that you'd like to purchase and tap Review. Tap Apply Slide Balance. Enter a payment method and slide the bottom bar to complete the transaction. Now tap the Copy button to copy your gift card number. Now you can redeem your gift card. Okay, that wraps up our video on Domino's discounts. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give us the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.